Hi, I'm Riley, and this is my phase changing project for water. First of all, there are three phases for water. First, there is water. Water is the liquid. Then, after that, there is ice. Ice is the solid. And then, last but definitely not least, the steam, or fog, which is the gas. In the liquid part of water, the particles are not as far from each other as steam, and not as close as the solid, but right in between. Their particles are far enough that they don't sink, and their particles are close enough where they don't stay in the air. In the solid part of water, the particles are very close together, so they sink. And also, in the gas part of water, the particles are far apart, so they float right up into the air. And now, the phase changes between water. So first off, we start with ice, the solid. To get it to liquid, we must first melt the ice, which would increase the energy because the particles would separate more. Next, for water, to get it to a gas, we must evaporate it or boil it. Basically, we need to put it through enough heat that particles expand and they will turn into gas, which would increase the energy. Third is to change the gas into liquid. We would need to condensate the gas, which means when the fog or steam touches preferably an object, mostly metal, it should connect and then drops of water should drop down so you get liquid again, which would decrease the energy because the particles would become more close. Last but not least, to turn the liquid into a solid, you would need to freeze it, which would turn it into ice, and the particles would become much closer together, so the energy would decrease. Thank you so much for watching. This project was by Riley Moller, and let's go for an A+.